TCL has spent the last couple of years showing us that they could totally blend lifestyle, design, and a very affordable price tag in a very good package. And now it's time to see what they've got for 2019. Reporting from CES in Las Vegas, I'm Jaime Rivera with Pocketnow, with Jules Wong on camera, and let's dive in. Let's begin with the BlackBerry KEY2 LE. Those of you that want an alternative to thumb typing on your keyboard on Verizon, it is heading that way. We don't have specific dates or a price tag, but we do know that it is the Slate variant exclusively, and it should happen in the next few weeks. When it comes to Alcatel, we were actually briefed on two devices. Probably the most important one is this one, their new 2019 1X, because the price tag is going to be around $120. It's got this very interesting suede-like finish in black and blue. We're talking a 5.5-inch HD Plus LCD made by TCL at 18:9 aspect ratio, a quad-core MediaTek processor at 1.5 GHz, 2 gigs of RAM, 16 gigs of expandable storage, and a 3,000 mAh battery. The fingerprint scanner is optional depending on the carrier and whatever they choose, but they do talk about their face key technology for facial recognition, which they call great, and we'll have to test. Dual cameras also just reached this lineup, the primary sensor being of 13 megapixels with a secondary 2 megapixel depth sensor. There's even a neat trick for a one-handed mode where you can swipe from the top to reveal easier to reach controls. Now let's talk about the Alcatel 1C. This little package in blue is only $70 or around that price tag. Obviously, to keep the price down, there is only 3G connectivity, there's a 1.3 GHz Spectrum processor, 1 GB of RAM, 8 gigs of storage, and a 2,000 mAh battery. Powering the entry-level specifications is Android O Go, specifically designed for these scenarios. Cameras are a 5 megapixel rear and a 2 megapixel front, and the display is a 5-inch 18:9 full-view LCD. TCL also showed us their future plans for displays because they are taking this market seriously. We saw two different variants, and sadly they didn't provide details as to when we should expect them on devices or anything, but I will tell you this much, there is a punch hole in one of them, and the viewing angles are really top-notch. So that has been it for TCL here at CES 2019. Let us know what you think about everything you just saw in the comments down below. And while you're at it, make sure you follow us on social media. Subscribe to both our channels, English and Spanish, for more videos like this one. You can follow me on Twitter, Jaime_Rivera, on Instagram at Jaime Rivera. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like what you saw. I'm Jaime Rivera. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you on the next one.